One of the coolest tools out there for sales and marketing is LinkedIn Sales Navigator. And in this video, I'm going to cover pricing. I'm going to cover all the most important features. And by the end, we're going to be able to decide if this is a worthwhile investment for your business. Let's go ahead and dive into it. Before you get started, make sure to click the notification bell and make sure to subscribe so that you can get more videos like this in the future. Okay, so LinkedIn Sales Navigator is really just having a premium account on LinkedIn. But in this video, I'm going to go over all the features of that premium account and why you should consider using it. First up is advanced search. Advanced search allows you to not have a limit on how many searches you're doing on a monthly basis. Job function, company size, years of experience, you can find all of these things through LinkedIn Sales Navigator, and it's incredibly powerful and not something you want to be limited on. There's also something called lead recommendations. Lead recommendations looks at your history, looks at your past prospects, and makes recommendations for leads for your business. However, you can only use lead recommendations if you've done searches in the past and if you have past history. You need saved leads and you need to have used search. If you do this, you'll see a recommended leads and a related leads box. You can kind of think of people in those boxes as lookalike audiences, which you may be familiar with from Facebook. Another cool thing about LinkedIn Sales Navigator is there are CRM integrations. With many CRMs, you can actually view LinkedIn Sales Navigator as a widget within the CRM. Now, if you integrate with your CRM, you're also going to get something called the Deals feature. This is going to give you a dashboard that shows you all of the opportunities. You'll be able to make edits and update your pipeline status. Next up is notes and tags, which are really powerful. LinkedIn Sales Navigator allows you to add notes to leads so that you can keep track of where that lead came from. They'll also allow you to add tags. These are short words or phrases that allow you to categorize your leads. So if, for instance, you had all of your leads come in from one webinar that you did or one outreach email, you would be able to categorize them that way. Pro tip, have a potential really large deal, maybe tag that as the large deal tag. LinkedIn Sales Navigator also gives you an expanded look at how many people have viewed your profile in the last 90 days that you don't have on the free account. That might not seem that useful, but if you're doing a lot of sales on LinkedIn, it might be. The tool also allows you to save people who have viewed your profile as a lead. LinkedIn Sales Navigator also allows you to send up to 20 InMails per month. I found this to be really powerful when reaching out to people who I want to learn from, interact with, so I recommend that you use all 20 of those to reach out to new connections. Next up is Team Link. What is Team Link in LinkedIn Sales Navigator? Well, that's a feature that allows you to search and view the connections of other team members. You can use that to find people who might be able to make an introduction for you to somebody else, and that's going to significantly increase the possibility that they will respond to you. LinkedIn Sales Navigator also gives you expanded network access. Here are some of the things that you get. When you search for prospects using LinkedIn Sales Navigator, you'll have a greater search reach than when you use just plain old LinkedIn. You'll have a 100-mile search radius from within a postal code, up to 15 saved searches, 15 saved search alerts per week, unlimited number of saved accounts, unlimited number of lead recommendations, and all of that further helps you find the right prospects. Okay, so how much does this cost? I'll tell you right now. The lowest possible plan is $64.99 a month, but billed annually. For that, you get most of the access to what you need. But if you want to get the CRM integration, you need the team or you need the enterprise plan. The team plan is $103.33 a month. If you want the enterprise plan, you have to reach out to them. Okay, so that's it for this review of LinkedIn Sales Navigator. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember that they do have a free trial, so you can go ahead and check it out. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I always appreciate your likes. I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.